The second video for 6-2 part 1. They're trying to find reference angles on the unit circle based on a reference angle measure and saying which quadrant it's in. Now we have to remember the reference angle is always measured, I like to tell students, is always measured up or down from the x-axis. So it's the angle between the terminal side and the x-axis, always up or down from the x-axis. So if I was to draw a 70-degree reference angle in quadrant 2, we need you guys to remember where the quadrants are. I'll just write it down like this. There's quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you got to remember the quadrants go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how they always go. I'll do it over here so you can reference that. You probably should do the same thing in your notes so you remember that. So 70 degrees in quadrant 2, this is quadrant 2, and it's up or down from the x-axis. So if I would go 70 degrees up, I don't know, that's about right there. So 70 degrees is my reference angle. What is the positive and negative angle measure for that? Well, I can do it one of two ways. If I remember, let's see, that's 90 and that's 180. I can say 90, what's left over right here, because this is a right angle right here. 90, this is 70, what's left over right here? This would be 20. So 90 plus 20 would be 110 degrees. And you would get the same number if you went 180 minus 70. Okay, so that's positive 110 degrees. What would be the negative of that? Well, we could go 180 degrees and then add 70 more. That would be negative 250 degrees. You see how the 110 and the negative 250, if you take those absolute values, they add up to one full rotation of a 360 degrees. All right, let's do the same thing over here. 30 degrees in quadrant 4, and measure up or down from the x-axis. So 30 degrees is about right there. Our reference angle right here is 30 degrees. What's the positive angle measure? Well, let's see, 90, 180, 270. Or we could do it the easy way first. If I said this is 360 minus 30 degrees, well, wouldn't that be 330 is my positive? And just going straight down right here, it'd be negative 30 degrees would be my negative angle measure. Okay. Here are two for you guys to pause and see if you can figure those out on your own. All right, and here are the answers. How did you do?